Hey y'all, it's Todd Palmer with eXp Realty. I'm out here at Ocean Villas at 67th. This is a boutique gated community located between Business 17 and 17 Bypass. I'm here to do a walkthrough video for 6723 Ocean Breeze Loop. Let's go take a look inside. Welcome to 6723 Ocean Breeze Loop. I'm standing in the entrance of this 4-bed, 2.5 bath home, looking into the main living area out to the community water feature. When you enter the front door, we have the half bath directly to your right. Check out this cool tile that the builder installed. A lot of really cool features in this home that we're gonna point out. I'm just gonna pan the camera around and try to show you all the features of this home as I walk around, just like a real virtual walkthrough. So this is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath home, nearly 2,400 heated square feet. As we come through the formal entrance here with wainscoting, 10-foot ceilings throughout the entire first floor of this home. Notice the dining area. Great windows throughout this home, just natural light flooding in. An open concept living area, kitchen, dining room. Standing in the dining area, looking into the kitchen here, you can see this terrific, spacious chef's kitchen with quartz countertops, waterfall countertops, and a full suite of GE appliances, stainless steel, gas stove. This is a natural gas community. What a great kitchen. I have the door open to a storage area that we'll take a look at in a second. Looking into the dining room. Standing in the living room, you'll notice exposed beam tray ceilings overlooking the community water feature. Got a coffee bar here. Right off the kitchen is the laundry room. Look at the cool tile again. Just really detailed work. A lot of room in this laundry room, a lot of cabinet space. Take a look at this little seating area, right in from the garage. Sit down here, take your shoes off, hang your coat up, store your hats, your coats. Right into the 2-car garage. This home has never been lived in. My client bought it as an investment and stayed that. They've had a couple of friends and family stay in it. Tankless water heater by Rinnai. Instant, endless hot water. Here's another good view of the laundry room. Got a nice transom window there. Just another view of the open concept living area. Try to get the ceiling for you. Right into the main bedroom. Ground level, overlooking the lake, the fountain. The floors in this home are all luxury vinyl plank. I love this natural light color. Let's go on in here to the main bedroom. Again, 10-foot ceilings, coffered, exposed beams, ceiling fan. That's a king-size bed with plenty of room on each side. What a cool view. Quiet in here. I can't hear any traffic, can't hear any water fountains. This property, this neighborhood, Ocean Villas at 67th is located directly between Business 17 and 17 Bypass, less than a mile from the beach. Let's go into the main bathroom. Right off this main bathroom hall, we have the closet, really big closet. I love how they've got windows in the laundry room, windows in the closets, windows in the bathrooms, just kind of windows all over the place, just letting in natural light. And here's the main bathroom, featuring travertine tile, really big, modern, quartz countertops, double sinks, stand-up shower, linen closet, and that's the main suite. Coming out through the main suite into the living area, kitchen, let's head upstairs. First, let me show you this closet. Right here off the dining area, just like a really cool storage area. Isn't anything you couldn't store in here. You could store anything in here. Now it comes all the way back. Just a ton of storage space. This is right under the stairwell. So we can just shut that and see. And now let's go upstairs. When you go upstairs, you'll notice wainscoting all on the walls. Look at this big window. Builder was really generous with the windows in this home. These natural wood stairs with custom lighting. When we come up to the second level, we come right into this flex area, loft, media room, second floor living room. Ceilings on the first floor are 10 feet. Ceilings on the second floor are 9 feet. Crown molding throughout the house. And then from this flex room, which is quite large, you can see, coming up from the stairs, we have 3 bedrooms. Bedroom 1. On the east side of the house. Bedroom 2, also on the east side of the house. This house is being sold furnished, minus a few personal items, but these beds you see will go with the home if you want them. I have the blinds shut in this room, just to give you a different look, and then they're open in here, so you can see the view. We're less than a mile from the beach. This is the second floor bathroom. I love the tile. I love what they've done with the tile in all the bathrooms, in the half bathroom, in the laundry room. Full bathroom number 2 here on the second floor. And then here's bedroom number 4. So the upstairs has 3 bedrooms, all coming off of this living area at the top of the stairs. See if I can get this living area in here for you. So this is the second level. 6723 Ocean Breeze Loop, on the market for $650,000. We're the only home on the market in here right now. Again, this is a gated boutique community less than a mile from the beach. 4 beds, 2.5 baths. Give me a call if you have any questions.